If you're sitting 6-10 hours a day, your body is already breaking down. Not later, right now. Your hips are tightening. Your shoulders are collapsing forward. Your strength is slowly leaking out of your body every single day. And the dangerous part is, it feels normal. You wake up a little stiffer. You move a little slower. Your energy dips earlier than it used to. So you ignore it. Until one day, you can't. Lower back pain, tight hamstrings, knees that don't feel stable, that constant fatigue you can't explain. You think it's age. It's not. It's the result of what you've been repeating daily. Most men don't have a discipline problem. They have a movement problem. You might even train hard. Maybe you hit the gym a few times a week. Maybe you push yourself. But then what? You sit at a desk. You drive. You scroll. You stay inactive for hours. That lifestyle cancels out your effort. So instead of getting stronger, you slowly break down. Now here's the shift. You don't need more workouts. You need daily standards. 3 movements every day. No negotiation. These are the patterns your body was built for. And if you ignore them, your body adapts in the wrong direction. Let's get into it. First, deep squats. And before anything, test yourself. Right now. Can you drop into a deep squat and hold it for 60 seconds comfortably? No shaking. No falling forward. No heels lifting. If not, your mobility is already compromised. And that matters more than you think. Because your hips are the center of your movement. When they tighten, everything else starts compensating. Your lower back takes more load. Your knees take more stress. Your posture starts to shift. That's where problems begin. Now here's what most people do wrong. They avoid the position completely. They stay in partial range. Half squats, machines, controlled environments, but your body loses its natural depth. So we bring it back. Drop down into a deep squat. No weight. Go slow. Control every inch of the descent. Sit into the position. Keep your chest upright. And stay there. Breathe. Let your hips open. Let your ankles adapt. It won't feel comfortable at first. Good. That's exactly why you need it. Your daily target: 3 sets of 15 controlled reps, or hold the bottom for 60 to 90 seconds. And here's the key. Do not rush this. Rushing builds nothing. Control builds strength over time. This one movement alone will change how your body feels. Less stiffness. Better movement. Stronger base. Second, push-ups. And this is where most men overestimate themselves. Because they've done push-ups before. But not like this. Here's the difference. We're not chasing reps. We're building tension. Slow down your tempo. Lower yourself under control until your chest touches the ground. Pause for a split second. Then press up with full control to a complete lockout. Every rep should feel deliberate. Now check your form. Is your core tight, or is your lower back sagging? Are your elbows controlled or flaring out? Is your neck neutral or reaching forward? Details matter, because sloppy reps give you sloppy results. Now ask yourself honestly, can you do 15 perfect push-ups like this? Most men can't, and that's where progress starts. 3 to 4 sets. 12 to 20 clean reps. Adjust the difficulty if needed. Elevate your feet to increase intensity. Drop to your knees if you're building up. But never sacrifice form. Because this movement is more than just chest. It builds total upper body control. It stabilizes your shoulders, strengthens your core, improves your pressing power. And done daily, it keeps your upper body switched on. Not exhausted. Not burned out. Ready. That's the difference. Now the third movement. And this is where most men completely fall off. Dead hangs, or pull-ups. This is your posture reset. Because everything in your daily life is pulling you forward. Your phone, your laptop, your car seat, your couch, You're constantly in a flexed position, and over time your body adapts. Your shoulders round, your chest tightens, your upper back weakens. You lose presence. Dead hangs reverse that. Grab a bar and hang. No movement, just hang. Let your body stretch. Let your spine decompress. Let your shoulders open naturally. At first it might feel uncomfortable. Your grip might fail quickly. That's your weakness showing up. Good. Now you train it. Start with 20-30 seconds. Build to 60 seconds. Then go beyond. And if you're ready, pull-ups. Even a few reps daily can transform your upper body. But only if they're clean. Full extension at the bottom. Chin over the bar at the top. No swinging. No shortcuts. Control everything. Pull-ups build your back thickness, your lat width, your arms, your core. But more importantly, they build strength you can actually use. And here's something most people overlook completely. Your grip strength is one of the strongest indicators of overall strength and long-term physical health. Weak grip means weakness is spreading. Strong grip means your system is solid. So don't ignore it. Train it daily. Now step back and look at what you've just built. Squats. Restore your lower body and mobility. Push-ups. Build upper body strength and control. Hangs and pull-ups. Fix posture and strengthen your back. That's your entire body covered. No machines, no complicated splits, no wasted time, just what works. And this is where most people get it wrong. They chase intensity. They look for the hardest workout, the most exhausting routine. But your body doesn't need to be destroyed. It needs to be maintained daily. Because the truth is simple. Your body reflects what you do consistently, not what you do occasionally. 10 minutes a day. That's all this takes. But those 10 minutes determine how you move, how you feel, and how you perform. So here's the standard. No excuses. No I'll start Monday. No skipping because you're tired. You do this every day. Because every day you don't, your body moves in the wrong direction. Slower, weaker, tighter, or stronger, more mobile, more capable. That choice is yours. But understand this clearly. Your future body is not random. It's built by what you repeat daily. So the question is simple. Are you building strength or are you slowly breaking yourself down? If you like the video, subscribe to Omega Body and comment down the one you're weakest at.